out here, southern end of the stadium, just in time here for a panel to drop. See, we got some crew down here doing some other kind of work. And then directly above them, we'll get to see where this panel's gonna go. You can see when they install these panels, there is ETFE on there. It's kind of, but it's not fully installed. For some reason they do that once the steel part is placed. The TFE is attached on there, but they gotta like kind of unwrap it and then install it, get it all nice and taut. Right now it's just still kind of hovering here. Got that interesting curvature there at the bottom. I'll give you a shot here of one of these cranes that's doing this, holding it in place. It looks like it is lowering at a very slow rate. Here it comes. Yeah. Got to see some team members there waiting. Guide it on in. See these other people in the foreground there working on something entirely different. And here it comes. Alright, bring it on in. Got you. Just about there. Guy's got a hold of it on the right side. Other guy on the left side. A little bit more to go, but I think we'll just about call that done. Got some more individuals here on to the left of that panel I was showing you. Okay, there you go. Still doing a lot of work here on the southern end. Directly below that is performance venue. And also in that area, that American Airlines Plaza, which will be some kind of an open-aired kind of hangout meeting point. Corporately sponsored area of the stadium. These guys here are very busy, covering up, pulling material. And it's got to be a great view up there. And we are still waiting on the Oculus. Recent report I've gotten was they are going to install video and audio equipment on the Oculus as it stands. Right now, it's hanging about 30 feet off the ground or so. Once they get that finished by about March, let's see by then if they start hoisting it up. So that's the latest word I've received. You can see some more crews here doing some work on, I presume, will be some more of the walls, perimeter of the property. And we're looking at the south end of the stadium. Still over here on Century Boulevard. Still have these trees staged here that I'm guessing they're going to be planting in some of these designated spots. You see it's painted white. Several different parking lots are like this that I've seen on the webcam. Special care package. Break time. And there's another look at the panel. Hey. Lots and lots of roof work.